Hi guys, my name is Brighton from Unboxing Zim, and today we're going to talk about the HP all-in-one desktop. Keyboard, right? The manuals, the power cables, the orange mouse, and external power pack. Okay, there you go. Since you say this is an all-in-one desktop, that means everything is there. There's no need for you to have a CPU besides it. So at the back we've got our power port, our LAN socket, the USB ports, the HDMI port, and the headphones. Then at the side, we got our DVD-ROM right there. Okay, let's connect it. Connecting all the peripheral devices and the mouse and keyboard. Okay, so let's switch it on. It's coming up. So our computer, because it's brand new, it comes with free drivers. So that means we need to install our own operating system. And at this time, we're going to install Windows 10. Okay, we have installed Windows 10, as you can see, in our machine. Let's look at the specs. Like what I said earlier, it's an Core i3 7th gen, which means it's a 7th generation machine with 2.7 GHz processor, 4 gig RAM, which is about 3.88 gigs, which are usable. It comes with 1 terabyte hard drive, and the camera, it's not that HD, but it serves a purpose for all your Skyping, video call, WhatsApp calling, everything like that. It works. Okay, so the HP all-in-one desktop is ideal for somebody who needs like a home office. You need minimum space. It covers the purpose. Everything you need is just there on your desk. You probably need to change one or two things. You might need a wireless mouse, a wireless keyboard. This machine is good for people who are doing e-learning, for people who are doing light work. If you're at home, you're doing your light gaming, and it's not good for people who are want to use it as a saver because of the specs. If you want to watch your movies, it's fine, but if you are somebody who's into high resolution movies, you need anything with 4K resolution. Okay, personally, I'm that person who touches plenty of things like ink and stuff. So this white color, to me, it doesn't come out nice. You probably need to get a black color or even a little bit darker color for the mouse and the keyboard. I'm Brighton, this has been Unboxing Zim. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, like us, follow us, and please do share to me.